Well, a little rain in parts of the valley today. I must admit, it looked a little more exciting earlier in terms of the potential to get some rain. You can see radar over the last 3 hours. It began flaring up right around 1 o'clock or so in parts of the upper valley. But watch, we go from right there, a couple little showers and storms forming to a little more promising rains, and now it's kind of weakening a bit in some areas, but there is still some rain just moving out into the bay waters near Port Mansfield. Some heavier rain in parts of northern Starr County near Falcon Lake. That green area to the north of Starr County and Jim Hall counties, flood advisory in effect. So, there is a potential for some heavy rain, but most areas not getting a lot. In fact, the thunderstorm we showed you just at the top of the hour at 4 o'clock that was blowing up just east of Roma, that one's already fallen over. Just a little sprinkle left there. Look a little farther off to the west. There is some heavy rain right near the border of Starr County, which is this line, and Zapata County. So heavy rain trying to get back into Starr County and across northern Starr County. But, this is coming down fairly heavily, but it may not stick around long enough to give you a ton of rain. But it wouldn't be surprised to see local areas get at least a good inch or two in spots through early this evening before the rain dies off. And heavy rain went through Port Mansfield and some lightning, but now it's moving out through the bay waters, about ready to end in Port Mansfield. But if you do get a shower or storm anytime through early this evening, through about, say, 9 p.m., there's a chance for a heavy downpour. It could add up to more than an inch of rain. But finally, it's cooling off. It was over 100 degrees in some areas early this afternoon. Now it's down to 88 in Weslaco, 94 in Raymondville, and only 87 in Rio Grande City. So cooling things off today. I think today out of the next few days will be our best chance for rain, but we still have small chances tomorrow, maybe a small chance on Saturday. But temperatures this evening, it's going to be all over the place temperature-wise at 7 p.m., but close to 90 degrees. A lot of areas will be in the 80s, but you still have about a 20 to 30% chance of a shower or storm early this evening, I think through about 9 p.m., and then most of it probably fades away pretty quickly if there is anything left as temperatures drop through the 80s. Satellite radar shows a little blow up of some clouds, showers, and storms today, but not looking for widespread rain everywhere, but it could linger through the early evening hours. And if you kind of look, there's a bit of a little trough here. It goes all the way back into Mexico. So along this line, showers and storms are forming across the area, but most of it concentrated farther off to the east. So kind of watch the skies still through early this evening for a shower or storm possible in spots. So here we go with future tracking. It shows, again, a thunderstorm possible in spots, not very many places, through early this evening, say between about 9 and 10 p.m. It's probably going to wither away. Future track tries to show maybe a couple small showers later tonight, as it should stay fairly cloudy, and that means it's going to be a warm and humid night. May not get below 80 degrees. The sea breeze could spark a couple showers tomorrow, but I think we're looking for less rain than today and less intensity, but you could still get a heavy downpour in spots tomorrow locally in some areas because there's still a lot of moisture in the air, but not as much rain going around, and even less, I think, on Saturday. I think Saturday's rain chances go from about 20% tomorrow to maybe 10% on Saturday and even less by Sunday. So the first 1570 forecast, high temperatures back up to about 99 again tomorrow, but if you do get a shower, that keeps things cooler in the afternoon. If we stay dry, it's probably going to be close to 100 in many areas Saturday and Sunday. 90s over Cameron and Woolsey counties, but 100 or slightly higher over most of Hidalgo and Starr counties. Next week, we should stay dry Monday and Tuesday. We'll have to watch the tropics. There is a disturbance in the Caribbean. Even if it doesn't try to develop, the moisture from it could be on track to move into the Gulf late next week. So we could see our rain chances at least go back up a little bit as early as Wednesday or Thursday. So we'll keep watching for those rain chances in your first 4 and 5 forecast. Stay tuned.